Volcano Bay. So we've just parked up, just over there, gone through the security bit. We are now just going to head on a bus over. First time in this park, never been before since it opened. So let's see what fun awaits me. Here we are, Volcano Bay has just opened. Where do you want to go then?
Can we lock this tower zone?
Yeah. Didn't get a park map or anything. So we're eventually getting changed, we've rented a locker. And now we're just looking for a ride to go on or something to go on. Something to basically tap our wristband to, isn't it? That's what we need. Oh, that must be going to go off. I'm sure it goes off every now and again.
And it's in sun and the brightness will disappear.
The whiteness will disappear. Yeah, because the suntan cream is very, very white. So we've just done the first tapu thing, which was for the Oh Yeah drop slide. We've got to go back in 15 minutes. So we've actually got the tapu wearable. Don't know if you can see for the sun, but it tells you how long until you've got. Now.
Sorry.
I can see tyres going up on that slide up there.
10 minutes.
10 minutes now. Aye. Just one in the back. Woo! See ya! Whee! Let's turn around this way. Whoa! Whoa, those wave things there. Whee! It's actually quite fast. Ooh, into the darkness we'll go. That was under the mountain then. Let's slow down and wait for Chris. I don't make sure where he is. Coming into some rough water. Whoa. Ooh, there's bubbles, that feels like I'm farting. Oh, this is where we'll come around in a circle then, so we're back. Let's wait here for Chris. Where is he? So we are in the queue for the Oh Yeah drop slide. There's an Oh No drop slide as well. which are right next to the mountain. Just to give you a bit of context, we did come in over that way, I believe. And the two towers are the big Cabana Bay resort. So we're just waiting to go up them stairs, get on the ride, see how long that takes. So I'm going to dump my phone off because although it is waterproof, I just rode a slide with it in my pocket and got dumped into a 10-foot deep pool. So I don't want to push it too much. So I'm going to dump this off in the locker and go ride a couple of rides and see you guys in a bit. So we've been on a couple of drop slides. Krakatoa was one. We've been on the lazy river, the slower one. The faster one was the one I was on earlier. And now I'm just waiting for Chris to catch us up and I am in the wave pool. I can see him. Taking the mic when I'm talking to you guys. Which is effectively just me talking to my phone in the middle of the pool. So this tube here is the drop coaster. And every now and again you'll see someone fly past in it. I don't know if you can see, but there is a drop tube just here. And I think that's what we're waiting for. That's what we've got the time. Current return time at the moment now is... what? 45?
Alright, you want your thingy back anyway?
45 minutes. So there's the Ko Okiri body plunge.
100 minutes now?
That's what we're waiting for, so it's up to 100 minutes.
We're on...
And we're at
45?
45. That's one of the entrances. Is that one of the entrances to the fast river or the slow river?
Slow, I think it was.
Slow. I can't remember.
Aye, it was.
Because you go under the mountain. Right, we are heading around towards the restaurant. We love these little sprayers, keeping your feet cool and washing the sand off and stuff. It's a good idea, but you do have to be careful for the bridges. I've seen a couple of people slip on bridges today. Little tapu thing on the bridge. So once it goes a different colour, sets that off in the lazy river. Currently in the queue for Ko Okiri, which is the one that's at the top of the actual mountain. A lot of steps up this slide, so we're just waiting to get up in the top. See the I-4. After just doing the drop slide, which is at the top of the mountain, I am currently just in the lazy river. Chris is way ahead of us somewhere. We're just about to go underneath. Just about to get hit by some water. Oh, look, it's going blue. Oh, there he is. I was wondering where you were. I'm turning. Is yours down a bit? Chris thought he was carrying ponchos all yesterday. Good job it didn't rain, because when he emptied his bag last night he had 3 pair of socks that I bought at Uniqlo. I'm just recording this, you know. I'm not actually on a call.
Bye, Ange.
So that ride was pretty awesome. Didn't get scared.
Oh, at the top.
I did show we're at the top. There was only two. There was a two on, like, sort of where the curves up that you can see on the video there. It's we went right up the top because there was only two on. I was like, we're at the top. I thought at one point we might go over. We both said that we're actually here longer than we thought we would be. It's a pretty good park. Lots to do, and we seem to be doing quite well when we do like a ride in the lazy river while we're waiting, and a ride in the lazy river, and so it's pretty good. And the Tapu Tapu works well. Haven't needed my card or anything. Just put all the details into the app. Created a pin in the app, and then just literally use it like a contactless. So
We done that.
yeah, we did. We've done that fast one before. It was pretty cool. Apart from it makes your butt hurt.
2 hours later.
We are leaving Volcano Bay. Been a good day here at this park. Better than I expected, a lot more than I expected. I thought when we were coming here, we'd be like, oh, we'll go for 10, we'll leave at about 2, go over to Universal Studios. As it turns out, we've been here literally all day. We're just leaving, it's well after 5. So now, Universal shuts at 7, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and get some food on City Walk, chill out a bit, and then we've got Blue Man at 8 o'clock, so might have a little look around City Walk and see where we'll go from there. So let's go get the bus back over. We are walking against the crowd as people are leaving the parks. And we're just coming in. I need a Cinnabon, like, I still haven't had a Cinnabon. Can't believe I haven't had one. Oh, just ate a Panda Express, so nice. Orange chicken and the beef are just absolutely lush. And it's not badly priced either. So now we're going to have a slow wander over to Blue Mango because we've got some voucher thing we've got to exchange at the box office for tickets. We'll see if we can get that exchanged, get some proper tickets for Blue Man. At least that's sorted. Then we might have a wander over to Toothsome. Have a look there. I've heard good things about the shakes. Better than Planet Hollywood down in Disney Springs anyway, so we'll have a look and we'll see. But we're not going to any of the parks, so that's what pretty much done with Universal and Islands of Adventure and Volcano Bay and all that, so bye, yeah. Till next time. We are off for a look at Toothsome. Never been in before, so that was cold. Red velvet cherries and stuff, look. Amaretto almond. We're about to go and see the show. Seen it before. I'll see if it's changed or anything, and we'll let you know what it's like when we come out.
Different people, one music.
So that's it from Universal. This will be the last time we're here this trip, and we're just leaving City Walk, heading to the car and heading home. Absolutely loved Blue Man. Blue Man was awesome, funny as hell. Would recommend coming to see it if you ever come out. Oh, what an end. The escalator things are off. Oh. So that's it from Universal. Tomorrow is our last full day, and I think we're doing Magic Kingdom as far as I know. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Nighty night, y'all.